Alright, it's about 8 o'clock. January the 8th, I believe. Maybe it's later than that. I don't know. We're going to see if I can't do a cold start video on my Cummins. It's snowing still. It's a 2002 Cummins 6-speed, 4-wheel drive. We're in Kentucky right now, by the way. She hasn't been plugged in. See, cord's laying right there. Been sitting all night last night since about 8 o'clock. See if we can't get the old girl started. It's about 34 degrees. Not too cold. See, 6-speed. Started like a champ. Can't beat a Cummins, I tell you. Forgot to turn my heat on. And that's my Cummins cold start.